So there's an old saying out there, no one has a crystal ball, right? Your plan is still your plan. If you're one of our clients, whether you do business with us or not, you're watching this and you're looking at this going, okay, what exactly should I do? What should I expect? And really, what's the game plan? It all goes back to no one has a crystal ball. We can't tell you that yields are going to go down. We can't tell you really yields are going to go up. What I can tell you factually is that yields have gone up significantly, unprecedented in the last 3 days. Will they continue to move up? I really can't tell you that. But what I, again, can tell you is that you were buying 4% last week. This week, you can buy 4.5% to 5%. So what does that tell you? If you liked 4% last week, then you're going to love 5% this week. Did they go to 6%? In my 3 decades of doing this, 5% is always, and I keep coming back to this, the magic number. It's always the magic number because people go, you telling me I can get 5% on a tax exempt, high grade, AA rated, probably insured, not subject to OMT? I'll take those. So we're seeing that kind of buyer come into the marketplace. Can't tell you if it's going to go to 550. Can't tell you if it's going to go to 450. But at the end of the day, if you're comfortable at 5% for the long haul and saying, okay, fine, I can live off of that, and that's what I'm looking for, then now is your time. What's really going to happen from a crystal ball standpoint? Look, Trump came out with those tariffs and immediately he reversed it because the bond market went down in price, up in yield significantly. So they recognize, they meaning the administration, the Fed, everybody recognizes that the bond market is really the controlling factor on this stuff. Think about it from a treasury standpoint. If treasuries go up to 5% on the 10-year, what does that do to borrowing costs to, say, the United States? What does that really do? Just look at it from a logical point of view and say, okay, the government is not going to want treasuries to move up significantly in yield, down in value, because of the fact of the borrowing costs. And I'm not going to go into the whole deficit or anything like that, but from a logical point of view, again, 5% on munis is the magic number, and that's about where we are right now. If you have questions, if you need answers, if you're looking for guidance, if you're really looking for somebody that's been in this business for a long time, 3 decades, and have traded through this before, whether it be 9/11, 08, Meredith Whitney, Detroit bankruptcy, Puerto Rico, you name it, we've traded through it. COVID, of course, we can help you with that. So where do you go from now? Sit tight. I would keep your cool. Look for opportunistic purchases. 5% is the magic number. We're about there now. Take a look at what you've got. Take stock of your cash, leg into the market, and we look forward to talking to you.